How to create Weverse account. Creation of Weverse account is very easy and simple. Just stay with me till the end of the video. Now without much ado, let's get started. Open Play Store or App Store and search for Weverse application. The app look like this. Tap on install button and install and download on your device. After that, tap open to launch your Weverse application. Then you will get access to this section where you have to go through all of this information, and these are all the exercises that are required for Weverse. After that, tap Start Weverse at the bottom of the screen and choose your convenient language. For me, it is English. You can choose any one that you wish to. Now tap Next button at bottom of the screen and now choose Join or Login button at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on it, you can easily create the Weverse account with the help of the Twitter, Google, or even Apple ID. But for now, let's enter our email and continue with the email in order to sign up into the Weverse account. Once you tap on continue with email, you need to tap on sign up now button at the bottom of the screen. Enter your password here. You need to make sure that you have followed all the information and instruction for your password. Once you are done with that, tap next button at bottom of the screen and you can easily enter a nickname, or else you can leave as it is. For now, let's delete it and enter a new nickname here. So once you have written, tap next button again and you need to go through terms of use agreement, and after that you need to check mark I agree to the terms of use at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap next button at bottom of the screen and now you have to verify your email. So you need to look for the email that has been sent. So we already have received the email. Let's tap on verify email button and verify your email. Now we can successfully join Weverse. So let's tap back to login page button at the bottom of the screen. Enter your login credential and you can easily sign up or create Weverse account. So that's it. That's how we easily create or sign up Weverse account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.